Welcome back to my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. Rhoda in the house again, my Cameroonian friend.
Thank you.
Today we want to talk a little bit about self-introduction. We have done a little bit of learning at the background in the class, but we are still going to learn as we go on. Today, Rhoda wants to introduce herself and a little bit of her hobby in Yoruba. Yes, she will tell us her name and where she came from in Yoruba, and a little bit of her hobby. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Welcome again, Rhoda.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Olùkọ́ lórí afẹ́fẹ́ pẹ̀lú Rhoda láti orileede Cameroon. So, can we meet you?
Okay. Orúkọ mi ni Rhoda. Láti orileede Ede Cameroon.
Yes. Kí ni àwọn kan tó fẹ́ràn láti ṣe? What are the things you like to do?
Mo sì fẹ́ràn orin kíkọ.
Ó fẹ́ràn orin kíkọ, yes.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah.
Mo jẹ́ olùfẹ́ èdè kíkọ.
Ó jẹ́ olùfẹ́ èdè kíkọ. I said it before that she's a polyglot. Let's mention those languages again. It's so amazing and inspirational, actually. Yes.
I do speak about 5
yes.
plus language or 5.5 language. That's
yes.
English, of course, my first, and then
French.
Russian, French.
Yes, 3.
Swedish,
4.
Finnish,
5.
Did I mention Swedish?
Yes, recently Korea.
A bit of Korean, and then
yes.
Spanish as well.
And Spanish. And now we are adding Yoruba. She's adding Yoruba now.
Yes, exactly.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
Very amazing, very inspirational. And she's pulling me now. I need to learn some languages too. I myself, we learned Finnish and Swedish together.
Yes.
But my Swedish is really rusty. I cannot speak much of Swedish, but I think I still remember some.
That's because with language you have to always constantly practice.
Yes. Olùfẹ́ èdè kíkọ àti orin kíkọ. She sings a lot. You can link is in my bio. You can check it out there. Rhoda. No, I experienced in Finland also, and some of the songs that she has sung before. I know you will be inspired through her channel as well. Yeah, that is what we have for you today on my channel. Short introduction with Rhoda. You can also learn to introduce yourself, put your name and the country where you come from and what you love to do. And that will be a sentence at least to run with.
So just to round off, I'm trying to learn as well like this. Of course, it's not very easy when it's a new language, but let me see if I can recap everything that I've learned.
Very good.
Orúkọ mi ni Rhoda, láti orílẹ̀ Cameroon. Okay. Orúkọ mi ni Rhoda, láti orileede Cameroon.
Good.
Mo sì fẹ́ràn orin kíkọ.
Good.
Mo jẹ́ olùfẹ́ èdè kíkọ.
Wow. Ẹ bá mi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Clap for my students. And please put your comments.
Please, guys. Encourage me.
And encourage my student on our language journey. And encourage me too, the teacher. Yes, I'm a proud teacher.
She's a wonderful teacher. She's so patient to teach someone who has never spoken Yoruba at all.
Yeah.
And also, if you want probably a one-on-one teaching with her to teach maybe your child or you as well, to have maybe conversations with you, I think she's a perfect fit for that. So you can always contact her, maybe through the comments or through her email, and yes, get more lessons as I'm getting as well.
Thank you so much for that wonderful advert. Yes, I'm here. We are here in Finland. Contact us. Yeah, we can do business together.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, please.
All right. So thank you so much for dropping into the channel today. Meet you next time. See you in another video. A tún máa pàdé yín nínú àfọ́nrán wa mìíràn tó ń bọ̀ láìpẹ́ very soon. Kiitos.
Kiitos.
Tack så mycket.
Tack så mycket.
Moikka.
Moikka. Kiitos paljon.
Kiitos paljon.
Okei.